Welcome to JDB Bank in Vientiane, Laos. We just noticed or discovered something amazing in Laos, that foreigners or visitors in Laos can actually open a bank account at the JDB Bank without a work permit, just using your passport and a telephone number. You can own a bank account here that you can use internationally, because they also issue you every compliment that comes with it. So let's talk to one of the guys that have been familiar with the system here in Laos.
Hello.
Uh, Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
So what are you doing today? What are you doing here?
Yeah, pretty much just here to create a bank account, and I'm so happy to be here because it's a privilege for me to create a bank account in Laos, even without having a work permit. Yeah, it's really amazing because it's difficult to get this kind of service in Southeast Asia, especially places like in Thailand. It's not possible to create a bank account without a work permit. But actually here in Laos, we just recently found out that this bank, JDB, is like one of the most easiest bank to contact, like they actually, like, the welcoming is like really awesome. The people, the staff, they're all friendly, really friendly. You can check around to see the beauty of the place. Man, it's amazing. It's amazing.
So what are the difficulties you have been facing without a bank account or a Visa card for payment in Laos? What are the difficulties you have been facing?
Actually, I can't really talk much about that because the bank account I'm using, I don't actually need it to buy things online because I already have my bank account in other places that I can use it to buy stuff online.
Okay.
So I'm not really facing any difficulties based on that.
Okay. So generally, how is the banking system in Laos? Is this your first time to check out the banking system, or do you have any idea about the banking system in Laos?
Yeah, it's my first time to check out about the banking system in Laos. But nowadays, before you do anything, you need to do a very bit of research online before you actually choose what you're doing.
Right.
So I did a little bit of research. According to my research, I found out that JDB Bank is not the only bank that can get a bank account that have a work permit. So that's why I decided to come here to make a bank account.
Do they offer Visa and MasterCards here?
They do offer all those services, but for me, right now, it's not important because I already know how I do my stuff, and I also have bank account in other countries, like especially in my home country, so I don't need all those services. I just need a normal bank account that I can use. But if you want to do that, that's up to you. But I'm pretty sure that the service here is good. It's good. And they can really do that. There's no problem about that.
Okay, thank you very much. Just to ask one more thing, have you been able to use your foreign Visa card or MasterCard in Laos to withdraw money?
Like, which one are you talking about? The one from my home country?
Yeah, the one from your home country.
Yes, I did that once. It's anything you do international, it comes with fee charges. Yeah, I did that once, but normally the charges are not that much.
Okay.
Yeah, they're like maybe like $10 per transaction, so it's not that
$10.
much. Yeah.
Maybe not much for you.
It's not that much. No, if you compare, if you want to do it with like something like money exchange, MoneyGram or Western Union, those people they charge a lot. Yeah, so that's it.
Okay.